What's going on, everybody? My name is Will Pounder. I'm one of the top male performers in the adult industry. I was a professional martial artist, and I started the all-Marine Jiu-Jitsu team, ran the Jiu-Jitsu club in the Marine Corps, and taught hand-to-hand combat. I'm an ambassador for Testogen, and I'm sure you're very familiar with the pills, because I'm sure a lot of you are taking them, and I'm assuming you're getting the same results I am, which are freaking awesome. But I wanted to bring to your attention the Testogen Instant Boosters. Now, the reason why I'm bringing these to your attention is we all know the effects of caffeine, and if you don't, excess caffeine basically has it's a vasoconstrictor. It limits the blood flow in your body. It causes your blood vessels to basically constrict and get smaller. That means less nutrients get transported to your body. That means increased recovery times, and it can also lead to brain fog. There are better energy alternatives out there. For example, the boosters. Now, there's a couple key ingredients in here that I just want to bring to your attention is horny goatweed or Epimedium sagittatum. This increases circulation in your body. Anytime you increase circulation, you're increasing nutrient flow, higher energy levels. It all works together. It all synergizes together. The next thing that they have in here that I want to bring to your attention is it's called a Korean ginseng root. What this does is it increases your free-floating T. Your free-floating T is incredibly important. It basically helps with all bodily functions on top of like your sex drive. If you don't have any free-floating T, you're not going to have any sex drive at all. But it's not just a sex-driven type of a root. It has many effects. It's incredibly beneficial. Now the next one is L-arginine or L-arginine. Pardon my French. I'm not very good at the correct pronunciations. But L-arginine is actually a hemodulator. It does the exact opposite of caffeine. So basically what it does is instead of constricting your blood vessels, it causes them to dilate and get bigger. That means better circulation, more nutrient transportation through your body, shorter recovery times. So those three in tandem, they all synergize together, which can increase your energy levels, especially when you're feeling those kind of dips. Now, those energy dips that you used to be feeling should be less frequent, especially if you've been consistent with the program and taking your Testogen. But we are human, and day-to-day exercises, life, they're different from one day to the next. So when you're feeling like you're kind of getting that little dip, like you're like, oh, I don't know if I got the energy for this, or oh, I'm getting really tired, that's where these boosters come into play. 1 to 3 drops on your tongue up to 3 times a day. It's a straight up game changer, and it can save you from doing those caffeine crashes. So anyhow, my name is Will Pounder. I hope this information provides benefit to you in your life. Let's get out there and get it. Yeah.